Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be doing a spring shop haul with MYTHERESA. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new sneaker and men's fashion video on this channel every week. Special shout out to MYTHERESA for sponsoring this video. All the items from this shop haul videos I picked up from mytheresa.com. They have a lot of great men's fashion selection items, so let's go through what I got. I'll have these items linked in the video description below. I'll also link different products that are similar in budget and style for you guys. All right, let's get into this shop haul video. First of all, I love this packaging that it comes in. This is their MYTHERESA boxes that it comes in. I love how this looks. Presentation, this kind of stuff is everything. And this is especially nice if you're buying a gift for somebody, special occasion, birthday, graduation, whatever it may be. This is an extra something that's awesome that they included. All right, let's get into this first box here. I have a pair of Nike sneakers. So here we go. We got this pair of Nike sneakers here. I got a box here, the retro style orange Nike box. And let's see them. Ooh, these are clean. These are nice. I definitely needed a pair of sneakers in this shop haul video. And this is my pick on mytheresa.com. This is definitely my favorite pair on the website right now. The Nike Blazer Mid in this vintage style. And you cannot go wrong with this. This is such a sharp pair of sneaker. I love the retro vibe, the vintage style of the Blazer. It just never goes out of style. Especially if you're not into Jordan, but you want to upgrade from like the Converse and the Vans. This pair right here is going to be perfect for the spring and summer season. You got the white leather on the top, the black check. You got this suede light gray material up in the front and the side. And then the midsole is like a beige off-white color. So I love the colors. It's super easy to wear. You can literally wear this with everything. There's a lot of sneaker options on MYTHERESA. This is my top pick. Another one that's really great for around the same price range is the Adidas Rivalry Low. I love this colorway. It's nice and clean, all white with a nice beige off-white midsole. And another good budget option for you guys. And I like that it has a little chunky sole, so it will stand out in your outfit in a nice way. For more upgraded style pick, I really love these Axo Arigato, the dunk striped leather sneakers. I love how they look, similar to these, but more upscale, luxury, high quality leather. And then I love that it's low top, so you can easily wear this with a suit. You can dress it up and dress it down. Second box here, I got a lot more stuff than this one. Let's take a look. Look at this packaging. It's beautiful. I love how this looks. This is everything. And I think it's actually even like signed by somebody too. That's awesome. So I love things like this. When you order from a brand like this, it comes in this special packaging. It's not just random product thrown in a box, ship it to you. So to me, you know, when it comes to shopping and design, presentation and things like this, it's everything. Okay, so I'm gonna rip this apart. All right, let's see. Oh, awesome, wow. Cool. So I got a few things in here. All right, second item here is this navy polo by Sunspel. This is the Con Riviera polo shirt, and I've been wanting this for a long time. This is the same polo shirt that Daniel Craig wore in the James Bond movie. So I'm really excited for this. I'm a huge James Bond fan. I love the action in the movies, but obviously I also really love the fashion, the style in the movies as well. Sunspel is a brand made in England since 1860. Wow. And this polo is especially nice. This is also made in Portugal. Now the navy polo is a classic in every guy's closet. Everyone should have one in their wardrobe. It's perfect for the spring and summer season. Other polo shirt options that I love on the website, they of course have Polo Ralph Lauren. That's another classic that every guy should have. So they have a lot of color selection on that. Another one that I love if you're more into designer options, the Tom Brown and the Burberry options are really great. They got a ton of options, so whatever you're looking for, whatever your price range, definitely check them out. My top picks are the Polo Ralph Lauren, the Sunspel, and also the Tom Brown. Next up, I have this Oxford shirt from Ami. Let me just unpackage this real quick so you can see the whole shirt. You know, the usual shirt packaging with all the stuff. I'm gonna get that out. Here it is, the Ami Oxford shirt. Oxford shirt is another must-have in the spring, summer season. Definitely something you can wear so many different ways, and it's also great as like a light layer in the hotter months. I already have a lot of shirts like this in my closet, but I wanted a style upgrade in this European design, so love this new addition to my wardrobe. Ami is one of those designer brands that offers a lot of nice contemporary modern style pieces that doesn't go too overboard. You guys know I love my designer pieces. I got Gucci, Saint Laurent, Givenchy. Those brands usually do really crazy, big, bold logo pieces. So it's nice to see a brand like this where it's really nice and clean, simple design, minimal. So if you're into that, definitely check them out. The style picks for the Oxford shirt, of course, is the Polo Ralph Lauren. Another classic styling that they offer that definitely won't go out of style. So they have a lot of color options. Definitely check that out. Another designer option for the Oxford shirt is Acne Studios. Definitely check them out. They offer a lot of minimal design as well, usually with a more European cut. Last but not least, I have this denim jacket from Ami. Now this jacket caught my attention on the website right away because I just love the style of this jacket. You got this black denim jacket material and this bomber jacket style. Also love the minimal detail in the logo. You got the Ami logo on the side here. So you guys know I love my black leather jacket and I also have my denim jackets. So this is a really nice kind of in between the two, a mix of different materials and styling that I can add to my jacket option. Now this jacket here is lined and padded, so it's a little bit warmer than my traditional denim jacket. This is gonna be perfect for the spring season, especially for the random colder days and nights. This jacket is designed for a loose fit, so I went with a size medium, and I'm gonna pair this with some fitted jeans. All right, so there you have it, guys, my most recent spring pickups from MYTHERESA.com. Thank you again for sponsoring this video and letting me pick up some of my favorite pieces that I've been eyeing for a while. Let me know in the comments which one of these is your favorite. Thank you guys for watching.